So the van won't start, will it, Soap? No, it just does this. Now, it does happen quite a lot. Too much. It used to happen quite a lot. Then I brought the battery in the house and put it on charge until it was really, really full. And then I put it back in and it started first time. I thought it was the starter motor, but that seems to be okay. Anyway, I've got one of these big old booster packs here. So I'm gonna connect that and see if it'll start. Hello, lovely dog. So, stick that up there. You got your connections, little connection over here. Tells you, oh, use this thing here, and then for the negative, the ground, go to this thing over here, which I don't think, yeah, they want me to connect to that with the ground, but I don't think that works too well. Either that or these are not very good connectors. We'll try it. If it doesn't work, I have a second solution. But I don't think this is going to work. So that's illuminated, so we're connected. We turn it on. And theoretically, that should start straight away. Where's the key? Hello. What is your name? What do you do? What do you do? What's your 5-year plan? So does it start? No, same problem. Okay. Now we have to go into the back. Into the back. I may have something in the back. In this toolbox. It's kind of hard having to do everything with one hand. We use these cables, you see. They're just straight metal all the way around. So I think you get a bit of a better connection. Oh, can't get out there. Turn that off. Disconnect. Disconnect. Stick it down here. And then what we want to do is put that right on there, like that. Good connection. Same with the black. Just like that, just like that. I don't know, I just think that gives you a much better connection. All ways round. Let's turn it on. It's not very bright, this light, but yeah, that's all. Looking good. Let's see if it starts. Move. Hi. Okay. Well, I'll give it a minute. Should we give it a minute, Soap? What do you think about the car not starting? Not very good, huh? What's going on? Have we got a parasitic? You see, I thought it was the leisure battery, but I took that out, disconnected that completely. There's nothing connected. I don't know if there's a parasitic. So if this doesn't work after another 30 seconds. I'm going to take the chair off and connect the supercharger directly to the battery. I did that the other day and it worked. Let's try it one more time. Nope. So we'll just disconnect that. See, what we've got to do is grab some of these. Now I'm lucky because this happens. This chair's been off so many times because I've been trying to fix the swivel seat. I'm pretty used to it now. And there's only one screw holding it on, but it is a heavy fucking thing. So, what are you doing? No. You can't go out right now. So that's connected right to the battery now, just like that. Well, just make sure we're in neutral and see if that works. You see? Now if someone could explain that to me. Disconnect. Yeah, if someone could explain to me why if I connect it directly to the battery it works first time, but I gotta get the bloody chair off to do that. It's a bit of a pain. Any solutions out there? I'd love to know. Put them in the comments. Anyway, it's running now. Nice one.